Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can ask AI on Snapchat, like the messages bar. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but let's get started with the video. But before we do that, actually, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss another video from us. Okay, so I'm just going to type in on the app library here, Snapchat. Okay, and I'm going to go to the messages section, and there's the My AI tab here. So I've used it before, but it says My AI is your assistant. Send a chat or a snap and see how My AI can help. So you can even like customize their personality here. You can, I guess, like randomize their bio. What is this? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna do that. You can ask anything, but you can, I guess, select it from here. It says recommend something to watch. Let's click on that. What kind of movie are you in? The romance, for comedy, action, romance, or something else? I'm gonna type in comedy action because I love a good comedy action movie. Sorry. Got it for, I watched it before. Here, there we go. I've also watched that, so let's type this. Men in Black and Rush Hour. I think I watched Rush Hour, but I have not watched like Men in Black fully. Let's just type this one. I actually want to know. I have like watched this like so many times, but I mean it's giving me like answers. Like I can ask anything else, maybe like what kind desserts that have brown sugar in it. I don't know. Brown sugar cake. I have not tried or made that. I do like brown sugar. But anyways, that's how you can ask AI on Snapchat. I think if you want to personalize it, you need to have like the premium account or something like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.